All right, boys and girls, welcome to day 3 of our week 5. And our story is So You Think You Want to Be President. And we are talking about our spelling words this week that end in the suffix with ly. And remember, when we add a suffix, this is putting our letters at the end of the word. Prefixes we did a couple weeks ago, we added the letters to the beginning of the word. Okay, but now we're doing the end. So if you take a look at our spelling words for this week: solemnly, let's run back through: cleverly, miserably, responsibly, gradually, suddenly, accurately, daringly, effectively, and attractively. So noting, ladies and gentlemen, that we did add that ly to the end of these words to change the meaning. And we did it a little bit like we did it last week, because when we are learning new vocabulary, we are increasing our knowledge. That brain power is going, and we are just on a roll. So we need to understand what the root word means, okay? Anytime we're identifying a new word, we come to a word that we're reading, we don't know what it is. We can decode it, or we can pick it apart. And so the first thing we need to do is look at that root word. So here, and I wanted to kind of revisit this slide just to make sure that we didn't rush through it yesterday. No harm in revisiting and going back and looking at something else. So take a look. We have that root word sudden. Okay, carefully, it's underlined. And it means occurring or done quickly without warning. Okay, that was a sudden gust of wind. Wow, that came very fast. That came very quickly. Now, when I add that suffix ly to it, it's going to change into an adverb. Okay? Sudden becomes suddenly. That's our new spelling up here. And the new meaning is quickly and unexpectedly. I suddenly had to get my books because it was time for PE. I suddenly had to finish my dinner because it was time to go to football practice. All right? Let's look at accurately. All right, this is my next one, accurately. What's that root word again? I see it. It's accurate. There you go. And the meaning for accurate, correct in all details, exact. Miss McCory has a problem sometimes with things having to be exact. Okay, so you are accurate in the information you gave me yesterday. Good job, accurate. Now, when we add that suffix, here it is, ly, this is our correct spelling word up here, added ly, the new meaning becomes a way that is correct. And exactly, I was trying to see, I'm sorry, there's a spot on my computer where it is correct. So I apologize. I will try to move it back. And it did not work. So, but a way that is correct in all details is exactly, okay? So you fixed my bike accurately, okay? You graded those papers accurately, all right? Very good. I'm so proud of you for sticking with me today. Let's take a look at the slide right here. Daringly, okay? The root word, daring. The meaning, adventurous or bold. That was a daring move you made yesterday, trying to do that backflip. That was a daring football catch. That was a daring move you made on the field yesterday. All right. Now, surprisingly, I learned you can add ly to this word as well. So guess what? We learn something new every day. Daringly. So here I've added my ly. It's my suffix. And guess what? It's going to change the meaning of this word. Okay? So, daringly, the new meaning becomes a daring manner. So it's kind of becoming something that you're doing. If you kind of notice that pattern, when I add that ly suffix, it becomes kind of an action, kind of something that I'm doing in a way or in a pattern. It kind of becomes an action. Okay, I'm doing it in a daringly manner. I'm bold. It's fearlessly. It's courageously. She was daringly climbing that mountain. She was daringly crossing that rickety bridge. That was a vocabulary word from last week. All right. Well, I appreciate your time today. We're going to stop there for day 3. I'm going to wrap up with you on day 4. I want you to keep spelling, and I want you to keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I'll see you later.